Hello everyone, welcome back to Let's Talk Wild. Your girl Tay here, keeping you guys up to date with celebrity pets and animal news. But before we get into anything, make sure you guys follow me on all social media at Let's Talk Wild. Give me a thumbs up, a like, a share, a follow, all that good stuff. Turn on the notification bell so you guys can be notified when I upload a new video. So rapper Riff Raff says goodbye to his dog Jody Husky. Jody was only 7 years old. He passed away the day after Valentine's Day. He possibly may have passed from a mass being on his heart. So I'm sending my prayers, my love, my condolences to Riff Raff because he is taking this very hard. You know, he made an Instagram post where he was basically saying, you know, he misses his dog. And, you know, it's very sad. Some of the fans, well, I wouldn't even call them fans because if you were a fan, you would know how much this dog meant to him, how much Jody meant to him. So you wouldn't even be saying anything disrespectful about his love, the love for his dog. But somebody had said, you know, just get another dog. Like sometimes it's not that easy. You know, these animals become your family. They're your fur children, your fur babies, you know, and you're taking care of them and they give you that love and that true unwavering companionship. But for that person that was in the comments talking about just get another dog, how unfortunate that you haven't experienced the true love and companionship from an animal. Sucks to be you. But on a positive note, make sure you guys head over to Riff Raff's website. He has some Jody Husky Forever shirts on sale. I will be getting one today, later on today. My self-care day, Tuesday. Self-care, go and buy me a shirt.
I don't have any responsibilities. I don't have any kids, you know what I mean? I'm just like this dog right here. He just moves around and just does what he wants. We're just friends. You know how like Snoop Dogg is like Doberman? Shit, Riff Raff like a Siberian Husky.
Make sure you guys send Riff Raff some love. Make sure you follow me on all social media at Let's Talk Wild. Give me a thumbs up, a share, a follow, all of that good stuff. Turn on the notification bell so you guys can be notified when I upload. Make sure you love yourself, love one another, and most importantly, love your pets. I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.